leg day workout. I got a decent response from the upper body workout or upper body day, so I thought I'll do leg day as well, guys. We are gonna do what I usually do, to be honest. Not too much talking, really and truly. I'm still in the rehabilitation phase of strengthening my lower back, so if you're expecting to see some crazy lifts, sorry, not gonna happen. But I'm just gonna run you guys through a simple leg day that you can do with minimal equipment, maybe if you're at home or a gym that doesn't have that much, machines and whatnot. So let's do it. Starting off with the infamous back extension. I did do some body weight reps off camera, so I'm gonna jump in straight away with a 10 kilo plate. Hopefully I'm aiming to go up to the 15 kilo plate for a decent amount of reps today. Rain is raining, so it is what it is. Yeah. There we go. There you go. Yeah, definitely 15 kilos for the next set. There is literally torrential rain shower right now. What can you do, man? What can you do? Still gonna do this work though. Still gonna get this work. Equipment a little wet, but I ain't stopping nothing. Feel me? We're just thankful that we have shelter, cover. Here we go. I suppose this is an ASMR rain video now, so I can put that in the title. Maybe it will get more views, who knows. I find it funny how the weather thought that it was going to stop this session. Absolutely no chance. Rain ain't stopping nothing. Nothing. Anyway, first set, hamstring curls. Get nice and warm, and then we'll do another warm-up set. Then we'll get into our 2 working sets after that. So let's go. Nice and easy. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy. Rain has finally come to an end. Supposed to live stream today as well, but that was definitely not happening with that weather and this service I have on my phone. No way. That would have been choppy as hell, man. But anyway, second warm up. Let's go. Seven, 8. All right. First working set. Let's go. 6 reps. That's the aim. Lock in, lock in, lock in. Here we go. 6 and a bit. One more set. Here we go. Crap. This was not in the right place. All right. Whew. All right, let's lock in again. Damn. Whew. Let's go. 1. Leg extensions. Starting off with 40 kg, first warm-up set. Second warm-up set we'll put 15 on, and then we'll get into the working set after that. So this is just quick warm-up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Here we go. Nice. So I just remembered this drive ain't level, so I switched the whole bench around so that it doesn't wobble over. So no issue, no drama. We just switch that around and we get to work, man. So let's do it. Oh, I need my save my legs from this bench, man. Padding is minuscule on this thing. But let's go. First working set. Let's do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Gonna bang some sissy squats. Long time since I've done sissy squats. Try it with the weight vest now. See how that goes. Here we go. That's good, that's good. One more set. Whew. Now we're gonna hit a straight legged or stiff leg deadlift for everyone. It's called. The weight, again, is not overwhelming because, as I said before, coming back from a back injury, so have to be very mindful. Although I can do more weight, I'm not going to. But I just still want to get the movement pattern in there to continue on this rehab. So here we go. All right, we'll add a little bit more weight and then that'll be it for the deadlifts. Added some extra weight. Let's see how this goes. Still need to be very careful with this movement. Very, very careful. So. Decent. Very nice form, very happy with it. No pain, which is the main thing, no pain. A long time ago, I couldn't even lift up like a 10 kilo plate off the ground. So the progress is there. I don't care what anyone says about, oh, this is light. Well, not my business, not my journey. That's what I'm gonna say to that. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Ish. Some calf raises now. Single leg. This is what? 25? 25. Let's see what we can do with this. My goodness. Here we go. Switch. And that is today's leg session. Pretty much bodybuilder-esque leg session, but it's what we can do right now. We will get into some more athletic leg movements that are still going to build your legs, but a bit more sporty focused. You know, I come from a sport background, so I like to do movements that kind of challenge me athletically as well as, you know, hypertrophic benefit. So hope you enjoyed regardless. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.